Hey everyone, today's problem is special array 1. So this is a simple problem. If the two adjacent numbers have different parity, it is true and it is applicable for each and every array. In parity in the sense is they should be odd even, not even. So let us write this using bitwise. We all know the real approach using the direct condition, but in bitwise what we're going to do is we're going to take the given nums of I minus 1 and we'll do end with 1 to find it and perform XOR on the other half. Let's say it and 1. Oh, and will if it is equal to 0, that means one of them doesn't have a parity. That means if this is 0 and if this is 0, we'll get 0. If it is 1 and if it is 1, we'll get 1. That means we'll whenever we do end 1, we'll get some value, and if the values are equal, we can return false, but if they are not, we can return true. So basically what XOR does is if we find any 0, 0, 1, 1, we'll get the 0 value. If there are alternating values, that means 1 0 and 0 1 are performed in XOR, we'll get 1. And 1 does what it does is it will check the parity of it. That means if we have 2, we can write 2 as 0 0 1 0 and 1 as 0 0 1. Whenever we perform AND operation with this, we'll get the parity. That means if there are any equal values, let's say if it is a 1 here, it will become 3, and 3 and 1 have a parity 0 0 1, because equal values are given the same priority in the end. So if these are two odd numbers, we'll get a parity in the end 0 0 1. That means it is equal to something. So this is the approach. Hope you understood. And let us quickly submit this. So there is something wrong here. Let us try doing this again. Let us change the sequence and check. Sorry, I forgot to use this test case and check it again. We did go wrong is I think we haven't defined the end limit. So that would be the case here. Let us submit this again. And yep, it works. This is the optimal solution. So please check out the problem, and if you want to see the this weekly contest solutions, please comment. I'll try to make them tomorrow. So please check out the channel, and we have uploaded other videos too. Please like, share and subscribe.